We're doing this. Yes, yes. We're doing this.
Yes, 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 yes. Hey, I'm Vitaly.
I'm Brandy.
And today we're playing
Fantastic Gymnastics. And there's a twist. The loser gets whipped cream in the mouth.
The winner puts on a blindfold and feeds the loser.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So
I know how things work.
Yeah.
You get
so
it.
basically we have to make this guy spin, jump off as they do in gymnastics.
Right.
And he has to land on here and stick the landing.
There are points.
There are points. Ooh, 3D. The middle is 100. Then it's 50, and then it's 25.
Okay.
This looks hard. This is possibly harder than real gymnastics.
That's crazy talk.
I feel like you should go first because it seems like you're probably going to be better at this game than I am. Just a guess.
So you push this yellow button, get him started.
The goal is to like have
There
him
you go.
spin.
You want him to spin all the way around. Almost there. Yes. Oh,
Okay.
Okay, almost there. Yes. Okay.
Oh, that was close.
So I think this is like 200
This is
points.
200 points right here.
In here.
So
yeah.
he laid down here. So Brandy gets 0 points. That's 0.
Man.
That is 0 points.
Okay.
It's my
Your
turn.
turn. Yeah.
Oh man.
Got it?
Okay,
Come
I
on,
got
grab
it.
on.
Okay, so this.
Okay. You're almost there. Good. No, that's. Now he's staying
Dude, I
completely
can't
still.
get him to go.
You have to like time it.
Okay, so I hold it. I'm doing exactly what you did. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Give him a little push. I'll let you give him a little push. There you go. Come on. Okay. Yes. Come on. Ellie's getting.
Yes.
Oh my God.
We'll give him just a little bit of a push, just
Yeah,
a
there
little
you
bit of
go.
a nudge, just a little
on.
bit of a nudge. Yes! I did it!
I think
All
that
on
is
my
nothing.
own.
I
All
think
on
that's
my own.
nothing.
But I got close. That was a really good effort by me.
Yeah.
I tried really hard. I can't get it like to
Yeah, just spin
start.
around.
Yeah.
You know, you have to like do it fast.
This
like, fast,
okay, one.
fast.
Okay. Okay, I
And then it goes around, you see?
Okay. Okay.
To
Okay.
get your timing. Come on. Yes. Oh, come on.
This-
Oh my. Oh my word. Come on. Yes.
Well, that's good. Oh, that's 0 points. I'm so sorry.
Hey, why won't you
Yeah.
land? Hey, can you land for me? Maybe do that.
Oh, they might have meant like this is for like 81. 81 or 80 plus. We're way
Anyone
too young
under
for
that
this game.
is too
Yeah.
young. These kids are just using great moisturizer. Or
Yeah,
something.
they
They're
are-
definitely 81.
While you were talking, I was already trying to get a head start. Okay, so like this.
Yeah, there you go. Like fast.
I'm doing it!
Yes.
I'm doing it! Yes! I'm doing it! Yes!
Oh, it's going faster.
Ah! I'm happy because I did it. Sorry, I did it without
At
actually
this
using
point-
my hands.
At this point, we're just happy that we're getting it to spin.
This is a win. Brandy and I are gonna slightly adjust the game. He doesn't, technically he has to stick the landing. As long as we get somewhere on this board, we'll give each other points. Just because otherwise we're not doing so well. Okay. He's technically off the board. 0 points. We got this.
Okay,
Come on, Vitaly. Come
Going
on.
nowhere. Okay,
Come on,
Yes.
come on. Oh,
Right.
yes.
Good job. It's happening.
We're
Yes.
doing it.
Come on.
We're doing it. Yes, 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 yes.
We're doing this. Yes, yes. We're doing this.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes! I'm on
That
it.
did-
25 points. I think this is the best we're gonna do. We'll give me
Okay.
25 points.
We both.
Technically, he has to stick, but it has not worked for us yet.
Guys, it's just impossible. Okay, come on. Spin for mama. There you
Come
go.
on. Good boy. Good
Good boy.
boy. Good.
Come, no,
No,
bad boy. Bad boy.
Spin the other way. Spin the other way. Oh! You've landed over here, and almost right here.
Trying my hardest.
Yes.
We need to give him a little pep talk.
Hey, come on, get out there.
You need that gold medal.
We need this. We need this.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
You can do it.
You can do it!
Well, here we go. Here we go. That's on! Yes! 50 points! No, 100. He's in the 100. That's 125 points for me, 0 for Brandy. Brandy,
Oh my god.
I will give you 100 points as long as you're on the board.
Maybe if we both have 0 points, we both just get whipped cream in the face.
You can't even have him land on the table.
We're both terrible at this game. So I think that does not count.
That did not
This
work.
is not how the game is supposed to go.
Look, those of you who are successful at this game, comment below, like, give us some technique.
How?
We have no idea.
Please make an entire video, a step-by-step instruction video on how to do this, and send it to us.
Yeah.
Because we have no idea. We've decided we're both terrible, so we both should lose and get whipped cream
No,
in
we're
the
both
face.
great. We're fantastic people. We're both terrible at this game.
We're great.
Brandy,
Okay.
watch out for my eyes.
Your eyes are blindfolded, Vitaly.
But still watch out for
It's
them.
impossible
I know you.
to get in there.
I know how you work.
Where's your mouth? I got whipped cream on me.
Wait, where's your mouth?
You're missing my entire mouth.
Where's your mouth?
You got it all over my body. And not in my mouth.
I'm sorry. Where's your mouth?
Oh no. I got it wrong.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like,
Comment.
subscribe.
This has been Fantastic Gymnastics Game. And we've decided that real gymnastics is much easier than this game.
Oh yeah.